In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy BNB on Metamask. The first thing you want to do is you want to open the Metamask application, then go to the bottom menu and select on the gear icon just like so. You will then be brought to the settings menu. From here, go ahead and select on the option that does say networks. Then you want to go ahead and press on the blue button that does say add networks just like so. And underneath popular, you will notice that BNB is actually one of the options. So let's go ahead and press on add just like so. Now keep in mind, MetaMask doesn't verify custom networks, so only approved networks you trust. So let's go ahead and just press on confirm because we should be good to go. And then let's go ahead and press on the button that does say switch to network. And right now, we are now using the BNB Smart Chain Mainnet network. So let's go ahead and press on got it just like so, and from here we can go ahead and actually start purchasing BNB. From here, go ahead and select on BNB, and then it is going to open up a chart. So then let's go ahead and press on buy, and then if it's your first time ever buying anything with MetaMask, then you will need to go ahead and put in your region. So let me go ahead and just put it in really quickly, and from here we can go ahead and pay using Google Pay, a debit or credit card, Venmo, PayPal, all that good stuff. And then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on continue, and then from here all you need to do is you want to select on the amount of US dollars that you want to purchase worth of BNB, and then you want to go ahead and press on get quotes. But basically after that, it is going to ask you to confirm the transaction, and all you need to do is press on confirm, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next tutorial.